Trying to play Roblox on a large television screen can seem impossible since the official app is missing from many smart TV stores. This leaves players stuck on small mobile screens or computers instead of enjoying their favorite games on a big setup. Today on TechVibes, I will show you how to easily bypass this restriction. We are covering the absolute best advanced ways to get Roblox running smoothly on any smart TV today. You need to optimize your layout to run applications smoothly without network stuttering. Follow these advanced steps to route your television traffic through a secure server. Step 1 is to secure your connection and unblock regional game servers. Open NordVPN on your device before you open any web pages or games. Step 2 is to verify your internet connection network. Navigate to the main settings panel on your home screen dashboard. Open the network management options and ensure your TV is fully connected to the local web. This establishes the baseline data stream needed to handle heavy multiplayer online gaming assets later. Step 3 is to deploy an optimized navigation tool on your system. Scroll through your current application list to find the built-in web browser. Open the application store on your television screen to download a free tool like TV Bro if you do not have a browser installed. Launch the program to open a direct gateway to the outer web. Step 4 is to locate the official gaming hub. Use your remote control directional pad to highlight the search bar at the very top of the screen. Type the exact word Roblox into the input field. Press the Enter button on your virtual keyboard to run a web query. Select the official Roblox.com link from the search result list. Step 5 is to initiate the platform initialization profile. Wait for the primary layout window to finish loading completely. Navigate directly to the configuration inputs displayed on the main page. Select the registration area if you need to build a brand new profile for your television system. Step 6 is to populate your unique security credentials. Input your official date of birth using the number pad options. Create a unique digital username that does not match your real name. Type in a strong password that contains mixed letters, numbers, and symbols to secure your system. Step 7 is to finish the core registration framework. Choose the optional gender marker icon if you want to customize your system metrics. Click the green sign up button at the bottom of the form to finalize your profile. Put in your secondary email address to complete the security fallback verification process. Step 8 is to link your controller hardware and begin playing. Connect a wireless gaming pad to the USB port of your television system. Browse through the massive catalog of games displayed on the main web screen. Click on any game card to launch the software directly inside your system layout.